Our software can ensure label claims, manage specifications, specifically the versions of formulas and packaging specifications. The solution can generate production-related reports and labels, maintain audit history, and speed lot traceability and recall. In BatchMaster, we support separate formula and separate packaging specifications. They're both multi-level, and they are linked together to create an intermediate or a finished good. Multiple teams, whether those be your formulators or your packaging designers, can work on their own specifications, put them in a library, submit those for approval. And these are both experimental and active specifications that you can manage. In order to meet and ensure target property values or label claims, you have the ability to dynamically balance the ingredients to meet these target values. And again, those could be nutritional, physical, or cost. And most importantly, each formulator, package designer can go ahead and submit their specification using a multi-level workflow to management, get the approval, and then put that into the library from which you can manage those versions. Our software can generate industry-specific documents and labels. We capture deviations and generate DOAs. Our software can maintain audit history. Our system facilitates continuous improvement. So a deviation that's encountered during a batch job can create a non-conformance, and that could be linked to a CAPA record. Now, we can also capture customer complaints and adverse events, and these particular records can also link to a non-conformance. And it's a many-to-one situation. And in the non-conformance, there's typically a root cause analysis effort being done. And in that root cause analysis, a lot of times you want to trace your lot controlled inventory. And we provide a graphical traceability tool that's bi-directional. So you can basically start with a PO and work through a receipt, inventory, production, and then all the customer shipments that were supplied by that particular batch job. Conversely, if we have a customer issue and they know what the sales order, the item, the lot number is, we can trace that shipment back in to WIP, look at the other inventory on hand for that lot number, find out who else we might have shipped it to, and if necessary, do some more investigation and trace back maybe a suspect ingredient or raw material back to the vendor. Now that's all available because we have a comprehensive lot control capabilities. And what that means is capturing the vendor lot number at the time of receipt, cross-referencing it to an auto-generated internal lot number. From that point on, when we put it away and pull it into WIP, we always want to capture it and validate it. In WIP, we're going to generate a lot number for an intermediate or finished good formula. And that particular inventory will be put away, picked and shipped. And throughout that entire order fulfillment process, we are going to capture and verify the lot numbers as well. I hope this short video gave you some understanding of our capabilities available in BatchMaster Manufacturing, which is available as an add-on manufacturing app for QuickBooks, Sage 100 and 300, Microsoft Dynamics GP, and SAP Business One, as well as our own end-to-end BatchMaster ERP solution. Feel free to contact us using the Contact Us facility on our website for more information about our solutions. Thanks so much and have a great day.